first of all, for joining me today. I really appreciate you making time to chat. So CEH Day, just a quick background. Since 2016, the Children's Environmental Health Network staff have helped facilitate CEH Day, but it's really a platform for everyone working on children's environmental health issues. So it's a day to drive action, improve health outcomes for kids, and really increase the visibility of children's environmental health issues. Plus, the fun part is celebrating the movement's wins over the past year and then collaborating on challenges ahead. So it's a lot to pack into one day, but we really enjoy it each year. So throughout the presentation, I'm going to mention a couple links. I'll put them in the chat during the Q&A, but I'll also send out a handy list of links later. So partners play a crucial role in Children's Environmental Health Day. Partners engage, motivate, and help drive participation for CEH Day. So collectively, CEH Day partners amplify the issues of children's environmental health concerns. Historically, partners have focused on public health, healthcare, housing, national school and childcare organizations, health advocacy organizations, environmental groups, child advocacy groups, equity and environmental justice groups, and youth-led climate action organizations, sustainable businesses. As you can see, there's a lot of different sectors. There's a big diversity of partners. In 2022, we currently have 94 official CEH Day partners. Logos listed here are just a portion of them. Partners can be individuals, national, state, or grassroots organizations, offices, businesses, or coalitions. Really, it's anyone who's advocating for clean air and water, safer food and products, and healthier places for kids to thrive, and wants to be involved in CEH Day. So the benefits of being a partner, a platform to promote your work. We know children's environmental health is touched on by so many fields and interests. This is a great way to find and amplify that common ground and increase your reach to other engaged and aligned audiences. So we help with this by placing partner logos on the CEH Day website, regular CEH Day partner social media shoutouts, and the amplification of CEH Day events, activities, initiatives, resources, fundraisers, etc. Most importantly, it makes you a part of a broad, engaged, and diverse community of other like-minded partners working for positive change. So in past years, we have included a partner directory in event materials. If there's interest this year, we're happy to do that if people want to help share their information for networking. And then you can choose if your information is available to CEH Day attendees or just other partners. We ask a few things of partners, the first of which is to promote CEH Day and motivate your audience to celebrate with us. Celebrations are obviously more fun when everyone's involved. So please encourage your audience over social media, email, or however you typically connect. The CEH Day promotional toolkit includes sample messaging, graphics, and even a suggested social media calendar. We also ask that CEH Day partners encourage CEH Day proclamations. So proclamations increase the visibility of child health issues linked to modifiable environmental hazards and provide year-round accountability for policymakers at the state and local level. Requesting a proclamation from your mayor and/or governor is super easy and quick. If your organization would like to make the request, you can find a sample proclamation language and an easy-to-follow toolkit on the CEHN website, just like this. Otherwise, please encourage your members, chapters, or audience to request local and state proclamations using the toolkit. And then be sure to add requested and granted proclamations to the CEH Day events and activities map, which you see on the right-hand side, and then share on social media. We found that having a specific actionable follow-up request really helped to keep the momentum and create ongoing change and accountability. The goal of CEH Day proclamations is just to give you another tool in the tool belt for year-round work advocating for children's health. Another piece of becoming a CEH Day partner is participating in the annual Twitter chat. If you or your organization have Twitter, we ask that you join the chat. This year's CEH chat is on Wednesday, October 12th at 12 p.m. Eastern, and it focuses on the partnerships that make this work possible. Another piece is hosting or joining CEH Day activities. So joining in for nationwide events and activities on and leading up to October 13th, from virtual educational panels with environmental justice leaders to releasing CEH-related reports, organized hikes, letter writing parties. There are tons of ways to celebrate children's environmental health wins from the past year and take action and protect kids' health now moving forward. The CEH Day website includes a map of celebrations at the bottom of the page, and we also have resources to help get the celebration going with event inspiration and hosting support. We do ask that if you host a CEH Day activity, please let us know about it so we can add it to the map, which you saw previously, and help spread the word. So I do have a list of past events for inspiration, one of them being Omaha. So I'm really glad that you all are on the call today. So Nebraska's governor issued a CEH Day Proclamation in 2018, and Omaha, Nebraska hosted its first CEH Day event that year. It took place after school outside the Omaha Children's Museum in partnership with the County Health Department Childhood Lead Poisoning Prevention Program and the City of Omaha Lead Information Office and the Omaha Healthy Kids Alliance. So free lead, body mass index, and medical home screenings were performed. In addition, kids and their families were able to check their addresses for previous lead testing if they lived in Superfund sites. Omaha Healthy Kids Alliance also provide information about maintaining a healthy home and energy efficient homes. And it established Omaha's new tradition of honoring CEH Day each year. So I'm not sure if Saul or Dan, if you all were involved in 2018 or have been involved in previous years, but I'd love to hear about your experience with that if so.
Sure. Yes, I was involved in 2018. Put together that year. Yeah, it was a great event. We had several families that attended the museum, and it gave us the opportunity to connect with them and provide information on our program, the Omaha Lead Superfund site, and yeah, everything worked out perfectly that day.
That's good. I'm glad to hear it. We love that. It's such a great example of working together to really raise that visibility. The last piece of CEH Day partnership is helping to put a face to children's environmental health. So we'd like to put together a shareable short video with partner messages as well as faces of children's environmental photo collage this year. So these can be, the videos can be as informal as you like, as well as the photos. Even a screenshot of staff meetings over Zoom works. Partners can record videos and upload them to the CEH Day Partnership Confirmation Form, which I'll drop a link to in the chat. Or they can schedule a time. I'm happy to record a short message over Zoom with them. So the last piece of becoming a CEH Day partner or reaffirming your partnership if you've already been a partner in the past is to fill out a quick Google form. I will drop that in the chat in a second, but that's just going back through the responsibilities and then asking if you have anything we can help amplify and how we can help support your CEH Day activities.